Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I am going to be sharing with you about one of the fundamental Baha'i principles, which is harmony of science and religion. In the past episodes, I have mentioned about the different kinds of unity that the Baha'i Faith is here to establish. Harmonizing science and religion is also one of its missions. For centuries, people have considered science and religion as enemies. Some people of science look at religion as a man-made instrument to control humans, and people of religion look at science as something that takes people away from God. Baha'is believe that the author of true science and the author of true religion is one and the same, and thus there can be no contradiction between these two bodies of knowledge. Like mentioned in the previous episodes, Baha'is believe that every new century, every new age faces new set of problems, and to overcome these new problems, the religion is updated from time to time by these divine teachers who come from the one same God. Just like science is updated from time to time, the religion is also updated from time to time. And this updated science and religion must work together to help humanity take their civilization to new heights. Baha'i writings tell us religion and science are intertwined with each other and cannot be separated. These are the two wings with which humanity must fly. One wing is not enough. Every religion which does not concern itself with science is mere tradition. Therefore, science, education, and civilization are the most important necessities for the full religious life. Thus, what the Baha'i writings teach us is that you cannot be truly religious if you're not truly scientific. God has given humans one of the most extraordinary powers, the power to think profoundly. Then how can religion tell us to stop thinking and blindly accept its teachings? The problems that our current world order faces, such as prejudice, blind belief, war, terrorism, corruption, extremes of wealth and extremes of poverty, increasing consumerism, declining work ethics, all of these problems cannot be merely solved by science alone, nor can they be solved by religion alone. Thus, Baha'is believe that just as in every generation, a messenger of God appears to help humanity get out of its difficult problems, Baha'u'llah has appeared in this generation with writings and his teachings that can satisfy both the people of science and people of religion and unite them. Baha'u'llah tells us to harmonize science and religion, to work together, and only then we will be able to create a medicine that can heal the ailments of our civilization. I will now end this episode with two passages from the Baha'i writings. Religion and science are the two wings upon which man's intelligence can soar into the heights, with which the human soul can progress. It is not possible to fly with one wing alone. Should a man try to fly with the wing of religion alone, he would quickly fall into the quagmire of superstition. Whilst on the other hand, with the wing of science alone, he would make no progress, but fall into the despairing slough of materialism. And when religion, shorn of its superstitions, traditions, and unintelligent dogmas, shows its conformity with science, then will there be a great unifying, cleansing force in the world, which will sweep before it all wars, disagreements, discords, and struggles. And then will mankind be united in the power of the love of God.